Hello, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but welcome to Half-Ass Garage, where we are going to start the process of a 1.8T swap out of a B5 Passat, 04 Passat. I've already taken the hood off just because I was bored the other night, and we took it off. So yeah, it's an 83 Porsche 944. For Zach's sake, I won't say Porsche a million times, but that's the way it's supposed to be fucking said, so that's besides the point. And yeah, it has a limited slip diff from a turbo, or it's a very limited model with a limited slip in it, 5-speed, and I've done some cool stuff. We can show you all that nonsense later. For now, we need to get the Passat here, kitty corner that bitch, so that I can pull the motor out the front over that side. And we're going to build the motor on that side and get rid of the Passat very quickly. So, first order of business. Dominic! Get the booster pack! I don't know if this is going to start. I mean, it should. Sorry. Ricky, this is probably going to have your lights.
Oh, well, you should have told me. I'm sorry.
Go get your lights.
All right.
Oh, well, that's
Bright lights!
a little bright.
And action.
I think he's already actioning.
Oh.
Needless to say, thank you, Ricky, for the light, and I probably pop the hood before I try to open the hood.
I've been looking of this. I've been looking right up underneath my skin. I've been looking of this. I've been looking.
So, yeah. Obviously it runs. Someone's not going to die today, which is fantastic. I do have to charge this now, but that's fine. And, yeah, here comes the complicated part. Charlie, you want to pull that cabinet for me? Let's try to... Jesus Christ. There you go. Let's try to get this thing in here. In a fun and half-ass way. All right.
He's gonna have no grip, and more no grip. He's lucky the random 50-degree weather melted the snow away.
Looking for a way out of this cage you keep me in. Your hands touch my neck as your breath creeps up underneath my skin. I can't help but to want it.
I got 6 people here. Not one of you can get the fuck out of here, Bush.
Nope.
Alright, other than that. Charlie, be useful for once in your life.
And if love is a drug, I don't want it.
He's just gonna get out of the way, eat this food. He doesn't. Here, help by like standing there. Help by.
All it takes is a turbo and 2 manpower.
All right, so first order of business is gonna be hood, fenders, headlight, bumper, headlights, bumper, and then we're gonna start digging at the core support. We're going to take the motor out straight. Well, for the most part straight. I'll be able to put the cherry picker about here. Cherry pick it out this way. I'll put some more wood down there. We'll be good to go. And ultimately, I'll set the engine stand up right around here and rebuild the motor. But, yeah. Just start taking some shit off.
I was hoping that you'd see what my heart's doing to me. Cause your love has me tied and bound. Can't make go. And if love is a drug, I don't want it. Because I don't have any self-control. The harder I try to get off it, the more I can see that I need it. I've been looking out of this.
taking off a couple of the top bolts here. We're going to lift the car up, throw it on some stands, so we get the bolts underneath, and then we're going to take the bumper, headlights, and then we'll check back in when we get once we get all this stuff off. Yeah. See, oh God, Christ Almighty, he's going to kill someone up there.
If not, break your legs.
So, we've got the headlights off. We got the front, obviously the front bumper, the headlights. He's working on the impact bar right now with shocks that I think I should keep because I may be able to repair this whole broken shock, squishy, stupid looking thing.
Hey!
Bada bing, bada boom. Shocking, exactly. And I don't know how to pan this thing yet. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what Charlie is, but yeah. So, Dominic, you do that. I'm going to start taking a look at the, we're going to take the fender liners out, followed by the fenders. Fender and fender liners. Kick it off. Let you know, the fenders are good, don't kick them off.
So, if you let me talk, I will give you credit. All right, ma'am?
So, yeah. We've got some dribblage going on, thanks to ZZ Top over here. We have the fucking intercooler out. We got some piping out. Shroud or two. So, yeah, it's almost time to take the nose off, radiator, condenser, the whole 9 yards. And we'll be taking some fenders off. Do we need to take the fenders? I don't think we need to take the fenders. It's all apart. We're at a stopping point for now. Anything else we take apart, I'm going to want to label. Yeah. Until next time, comment, like, subscribe. Dan the Porsche Man on Instagram.